Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of October. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. It has changed over the past couple months. It used to be where you would get a little thing of yarn and then a mystery item. Then for a while we were getting 2 things of yarn with no mystery item. And then this month, this is what I get, what I have in front of you right now. I got a thing of yarn and that's it. So I'm unclear on what's going on with Darn Good Yarn at the moment, but this is it. The reason that I don't have it in an actual box like I usually do, I open the box on camera, is because that this came in one of those soft packages through the mail. It wasn't in an actual like Darn Good Yarn box, so I don't know what's going on. So this is the yarn I got. It's going to be a sort of shorter video, obviously, for this month, but this is the yarn I got. You can see all the colors of it. It's textured and squishy and soft. It reminds me of the sea, the colors, or definitely reminds me of the ocean. And this is what it is. Sport weight silk, and it's called Midnight Moonlight. It's very, very pretty. It's not very October-y. I was expecting sort of like a spooky sort of color for October, but I mean, I'm not upset about it. It's very pretty. So this is the yarn. And then I got this little card. It's going to tell you about the Yarn of the Month Club. And over here, you can scan this QR code and you can get your pattern. They do a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern for this yarn. So yeah, sorry this one is a short one and I don't have much to talk about. I don't even have the box to really unbox like usual, but this is what I got. This is the yarn, and that is my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of October. At the end of the year, I will be doing a roundup review of all of the boxes that I got for 2021, so stay tuned for that. I did a roundup review in 2020 for all of the boxes that I got that year. I can have that listed down below if you would like to check that out. And I will list the playlist of all of my unboxings down below as well. So that is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of October. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.